everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ria, and today, as you can see by the title of this video, we are doing something really exciting, something I've never done before. I'm going to a pottery class, something I wanted to do for a while, and I'm really excited for this. Usually I'm not excited to go out, but after a very long time I am excited for something because I like to stay at home. And it's a 2-hour class. I have watched some pottery making videos and I've got some inspo from Pinterest. So maybe I'll make something like that, hopefully, if I can. And I'll see you at the location. Okay, everyone, we are here at the pottery workshop. It is a mix of a restaurant and cafe, and there are workshops as well that happen here. So we're here now, and I'll show you around in a bit. I'm sitting on a swing right now over here, and it's very cute, and I like it a lot. Like I said, this place was a mix of a restaurant and a cafe, and there's workshops that happened every weekend. It's a fully women led organization that promotes reconnecting with your roots, connecting with Mother Nature. It was a really beautiful place surrounded by nature, and it was so much fun over there. It felt like an escape from the real world. No more social media, no more real life problems, just surrounded by nature and being creative and making really cute and beautiful pottery. And I am not kidding when I say I had not touched my phone for over 2 hours while I was there, and I'm really proud of that.
Wait.
Guys, it's been a while since we went back home. We had lunch outside, and the class was amazing. The class, the workshop, whatever you want to call it, it was amazing. I liked it a lot. I enjoyed it so much, and I didn't even realize how fast the 2 hours passed, honestly. So it was genuinely so much fun. It was overall a really good experience, and I made some really cool stuff, which I'm gonna show you. This is what I made. I know it does not look like much, but trust me, trust the process, okay? So, this over here, this is supposed to be a coaster. I know it does not really look like one, but when I finally paint it, okay, it will look like one. And this over here, this this is a mug, a cup. I wanted it smaller, but this is also nice. I really like it, and I made most of this mug myself. So yeah, I really like this. I'm really proud of these two specifically. And this, you might see these small balls. Yeah, I had actually made an octopus, and it didn't really go as planned, and yeah, it broke on the way home. So this is just, this kind of looks like chocolate now. And these three over here, these are supposed to be like earrings. I still have to make holes in them. This one, the other one of this, like the pair of this one, it broke because of course it did. But yeah, I still have these two and I plan on making them into earrings. And yeah, this is all of the things I made. My octopus unfortunately broke. I'm gonna order some acrylic paints and we're gonna paint them later on. I actually have to wait for them to dry first. This will take about 1 or 2 days to dry and then we're gonna paint them. So that will be in another video. Also, I need to show you this mug. It fits perfectly on the coaster. Okay, look at this. I don't wanna touch it too much on the coaster, but it fits perfectly. And my existing cup also fits perfectly on this coaster. And dude, I just really love this. It looks really good, even though it's not painted yet. So yeah, I'm also gonna paint all of these soon after it dries, of course. And I'm also gonna order some acrylic paints. I do have a lot of ideas. I know what I'm gonna paint them. I know what colors I'm gonna paint them in, and I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna make a video about that as well. So subscribe to see part 2 of me painting all of those things. Overall, I had a lot of fun today, and it was really nice to go out after so long and learn something new, meet new people, eat at a really nice place. So it was really fun. So if you watched until the end, comment down below a brown heart emoji so I know that you watched until the end. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe you should go try pottery yourself because it is really fun, really therapeutic, very calming. It's really fun, so you should go try it. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Until next time, peace.